In today's video, I'm going to teach you Gusto Payroll time tracking, how to record time using Gusto's internal time tracker. To get started, sign into your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, you'll be at your main dashboard, where you can access payroll, employee information, and time tools. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing specifically on Gusto's built-in time tracking feature, which allows you to manually record hours directly inside the platform. From the menu on the left-hand side, click Time and Attendance, and then choose Time Tracking. This will take you to the area where timesheets are managed for the current and upcoming payroll periods. If you're responsible for entering hours for employees, this is where you'll spend most of your time. Next, open the current timesheet by selecting the active pay period and choosing the employee timesheet you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct pay period before entering any hours, since time entries need to match the payroll schedule. Once the timesheet is open, find the specific day you want to record time for. This is helpful if you're entering hours one day at a time or catching up on missing shifts. Under the shifts column for that day, click Add to create a new time entry. Now, enter the clock in and clock out times for the employee's shift. Be careful to use the correct start and end times so the total hours are calculated properly. If the employee took an unpaid break or meal break, add that information as well if needed. This step is important because unpaid breaks can affect the total payable hours for the day. After entering the shift details, save the time entry. Saving records the worked hours to the timesheet and updates the day's total. Once that's done, take a moment to review the hours breakdown section. This area helps you confirm that the hours were recorded correctly and gives you a quick way to spot mistakes before moving on. If the employee worked on additional days during that pay period, continue adding shifts for each workday as needed. It's a good idea to go through the full pay period carefully so nothing is missed. When all shifts have been entered, review the completed timesheet one final time. Double-check that every day, shift, and break has been recorded accurately. This final review helps prevent payroll errors and saves time later. Once everything looks correct, click Approve Timesheet to finalize it. That confirms the recorded hours are ready for the next step in payroll processing. Thanks for watching.